Good morning, class. Yes, children, in a previous video, we had already discussed about your syllabus. I want to repeat it again, please. Chapter number 38, 39, 40, 41. So before starting anything, please open your book again like this. See, please. Chapter 38, delicious food. Children, listen please. In this chapter, there are so many foods to which we love to eat. First food is, I have already written sushi. The people of Japan, they love to eat. Noodles, it is loved by the people of China. Hamburger in USA. Dosa. This food is loved by the people of India. Pasta in Italy. Taco in Mexico. I already mentioned the countries where this type of the food is loved by the people. So in previous video I have already sent you, so it will be for your revision for our upcoming test, which is going to be held on 24th Feb. I think you will have already seen to your timetable. If you have not seen it, then see please. This was your chapter number 38. You can see like this. Children, see please. Delicious food. Sushi in Japan. Noodles in China. Hamburger in USA. Dosa in India. Pasta in Italy. Taco in Mexico. These are the countries where the people love to eat these different types of foods. And now children, we are coming on chapter number 39. You can open your book, please. The page number 62. It has been given around the world. Children, there are many wonderful places and monuments on earth. So, we have to identify according to the picture. You can see country has already been mentioned in these pictures. You can see this is Egypt, this is China, this is France, Brazil, Peru and India. You are seeing here in chapter number 39 around the world. So, see please, in first picture, the Great Pyramid of Giza. You are seeing here, children, this is in Egypt. And now the Great Wall of China, it is also in China. Eiffel Tower, this Eiffel Tower is in France. Fourth, Christ the Redeemer, this is in Brazil, you can see. And fifth, Machu Picchu, it is in Peru, you can see. And sixth question, Taj Mahal, I think you know Taj Mahal is in India. So I have revised your chapter number 38 and chapter number 39. Again I am going to remind you, your syllabus is from chapter 38, delicious food, 39, amazing destinations around the world, and chapter number 40, odd one out. You can see please, odd one out and spot the difference. We have already sent your videos. I think you will have seen it. So according to the videos, along with your general awareness questions, we have already sent to you. You have seen it. One thing more, children, I want to share with you. That is, let us suppose that the name of Taj Mahal, I am discussing on page number 62. 62, you can see the name Taj Mahal means crown of palaces. So one question will be also like this. You can learn it also. And one thing more, October 6 is celebrated as National Noodle Day every year in USA. See, this will be also in the form of one question. You can also learn when Noodle Day is celebrated every year in USA. Date will be 6 October. Okay children, these are the chapters to which I will revise today, and in next video we will revise chapter number 40 and 41. Okay children, thank you. Have a nice day to you all. Thank you.